Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TikTok Shop with your Shopify store step by step clearly. To set up TikTok Shop with your Shopify store, first log into your Shopify admin panel. From the left sidebar, click on Apps. In the search bar, type TikTok and select the TikTok app from the results. Click on the Add App button to install it. Once the app is installed, click on Open App to start the setup process. You'll be asked to connect your TikTok account. Log in with your TikTok credentials or create a new account if needed. After logging in, grant the necessary permissions for Shopify to access your TikTok account. Next, you'll be prompted to set up your TikTok business account if you don't have one. Follow the instructions to create or connect your existing TikTok business account. Once connected, navigate back to the TikTok app in Shopify. Select Product Catalog to sync your Shopify products with TikTok. Choose the products you want to promote on TikTok. Make sure to set up appropriate product details like prices and descriptions. Now, configure your TikTok pixel for tracking. Go to the Data section within the TikTok app. Click on Set up TikTok Pixel and follow the on-screen instructions. Add the pixel code to your Shopify store by navigating to Online Store, then Themes. Select Actions, then Edit Code for your active theme. Find the theme.liquid file and paste the pixel code in the header section. Save changes to the theme.liquid file. Return to the TikTok app in Shopify and check the pixel status to ensure it's working correctly. Next, set up your first TikTok ad campaign from the TikTok Ads Manager. Navigate to Campaigns and click on the plus Create button. Choose your advertising objective based on your goals. Fill in the details for your campaign, including budget and schedule. Select the appropriate ad group settings, including audience targeting and placements. Upload your ad creatives, ensuring they align with TikTok's guidelines. Review your campaign details and click Submit to launch. Finally, monitor your campaign's performance through TikTok Ads Manager and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.